Hello, and welcome to the CubeFarm tutorial series. CubeFarm is an open source, do-it-yourself, modular, transportable agriculture system for reducing waste materials while growing food. FarmCubes can be laid in rows as space permits and stacked up to 3 cubes high to maximize plant growth while minimizing land use. The CubeFarm system repurposes commonly available waste materials such as shipping pallets, scrap wood, and PVC pipe. Through this tutorial series, you'll be shown how to construct your own FarmCubes and adapt them to fit the needs of your local environment, whether it is urban, rural, or something in between. In the following videos, you will learn how to construct the FarmCube modules, install the semi-hydroponic system, build the LED grow lights, assemble a wind turbine, and brew a batch of compost feed to fertilize your cube farm. Join the growing number of CubeFarmers in reducing waste materials while producing healthy food, in addition to improving your local and global environment through this easy step-by-step project. For more information, visit our website, cube-farm.weebly.com.